Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today I am going to be trying a 4th of July shot that I cannot remember the guy's name of that I saw on TikTok. Um, he basically just did a quick little thing that makes the most sense. I don't know how well it's going to probably taste. It's probably going to be really sugary, and we're going to just go ahead and get down to making it. So what you're going to need is your blue curacao and vodka put into a shaker, which I already shook this up and it's already done. So there's that. You'll need some grenadine and you'll need some lemonade. Pretty simple stuff. So what he ended up doing, which I totally forgot to put pour tips in this, but it doesn't really matter, I guess. Put about 2 ounces of your grenadine in. Yeah, that's probably pretty close, give or take. And then fill it with ice. Preferably with more ice than I have currently. Next, you're going to take your lemonade, and maybe I need to shake this. I don't know. I don't remember. Do you need to shake lemonade? You probably do. Shake well before serving. Okay, we got it shaked. So we're going to use this ice to layer on our, layer it onto the grenadine. So we're just going to slowly pour it in. Leave yourself about 2 ounces at the top. Then using a spoon and being very, very, very careful, which I'm going to do it over the ice, layer on your blue curacao and vodka mixture. And there you have a 4th of July drink that I don't know how it tastes, and I'm pretty sure there's no name for it. If I find the guy again, I will put the name down in the description, possibly the link to the video. I'm not sure. Actually, no, links don't work in the videos. Well, I'll just leave a name down in the below where I found it, and we'll go from there. And now, we're going to put our straw in there nice and gently. And we're going to go ahead and try it out. It's probably going to taste like grenadine, mostly, because that's what's at the bottom. And to anybody's surprise, yeah, it tastes like grenadine. The best thing to do would probably be to mix this up and then try it in general. But let's go ahead and mix her up, ruin this beautiful mixture of 4th of July-ness, and see what it tastes like when it's all mixed up. Alright, it's all mixed up. Let's find out. Sweet. Can't really... Actually, I like that a lot. That is very sweet. It's, ooh. That's perfect. That's a perfect, like, just sitting outside and just having a little sip. Now, I should, say also with the blue curacao and the vodka, I put in about a half an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce of that and about an ounce and a half of vodka and shook it up in the shaker. But this came out really good. That's really good. The lemonade and the sugar really, well, I chose light lemonade, but I probably just made it regular lemonade at this point. And the orange blue curacao just makes it just a light, kind of almost like light and fluffy taste. It kind of almost really weirdly reminds me of like unflavored cotton candy, but it's not that. It's just like that kind of light fluffiness I'm thinking of. Um, Sugary. You don't have to use that much grenadine. That's a lot of grenadine, but yeah, no, this is good. This is delicious. I like this. Very good when it's mixed up. I would highly recommend doing that. It's not really 4th of July anymore for that, but yeah, good drink. I will leave a comment down below of the author of this drink. I don't think there's a name for it. It's just 4th of July cocktail. And yeah, anyways, yeah. Happy 4th of July of everybody, and I hope to see you guys on Saturday. If not, I will see you guys next week for some other drinks and shots of some sort. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.